If you're a real estate agent and you're struggling to get more clients because your Google business profile is lacking in the terms of reviews, then this video is for you. Now, for the majority of real estate agents, you guys have clients. They just didn't leave reviews, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get all of your past clients to leave you 5-star reviews with just a couple of clicks of the mouse. And we're not talking about fake reviews or anything like that. These are real reviews from real people who you've done real business with. And the best part about it is that you only got to do it one time. And once you get this process set up, all of your new clients moving forward will all be able to leave your review immediately after you've done business with them. And all of the reviews that your clients leave, you can automatically reply to those utilizing artificial intelligence, aka AI. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. Now, just for posterity purposes, we're going to take a look at some real estate agents and their review count on Google in Chicago, Illinois. So just up here, we already see that this guy, he's running ads because it's a sponsored account. It's a sponsored business profile, and he's got 6 reviews. Remax has no reviews, which is insane to me. Agency Iowa, 35 reviews, 43 reviews, 94, 33, 23, 148, so on and so forth. Now, obviously, as a real estate agent, you have a lot of competition, right? And the big names like Remax and Century 21 and all of these other companies, they're going to most likely get the business first because these are the big names that everyone knows about. But for people who don't want to do business with these big companies, they want to do business with smaller companies because they feel like they'll get a better deal or they'll get a more personalized experience. They're not going to reach out to Remax or all these other places. They're going to be looking for you. And when they go to Google to find you, if you are somewhere all the way at the bottom of this list because you just aren't ranking very well because you don't have the amount of reviews that you need to start ranking at the very top, you're going to get overlooked. So in this video, I'm going to go over exactly how to use artificial intelligence and automations to get those reviews from all of your past clients, which is going to boost you up on Google, on your Google business profile, on Google searches, as well as be able to get more reviews from your constituents, from your family members, from just basically anybody who you think will leave you a positive review that will be beneficial to your business growth. And how are we going to do this? We're going to do this with a software, no coding needed, any of that, called GoHighLevel. Now, this software is a no-code solution for any business owner, but for now, we're going to talk about real estate agents because you guys are in need of some good work because, you know, there's too much competition. So once you sign up for GHL, GoHighLevel, you're going to go to get started. Now, this very top one up here, you're going to hit connect and you're going to connect your Google business profile. Now, if you don't already have a Google business profile and you are interested in figuring out how to build one, you can sign up for my free community, the Lone Wolf Entrepreneur Wolves Den, and I'll show you exactly how to get all of that set up. Before we get started, if you don't know me, I'm Jamel Jones, aka the Lone Wolf Entrepreneur, and it's my mission to help you fire your job, obtain financial freedom, and start building generational wealth for you and your family through entrepreneurship, obviously. And I'd like you to do me a favor. If you find any value from this video, go ahead and hit the like button, share this video with any of your constituents who you think may benefit from this, and go ahead and leave a comment in the comments, and I'll send you over my templates and scripts and everything that I have, as well as a link to a 30-day free trial for this software. So let's dive in. After you connect your business through Google Business Profiles, the next thing you're going to do is go over here to reputation. Now, I just got to say that when you sign up for GHL, your system will not look like this. I have a lot of customizations inside of my system so that it looks the way that I want it to look. But everything still works the same. So you're going to go to reputations. And when you get in reputations, this will show all of your reviews on Google and Facebook. Now, you come over here to settings, and this is where you're going to set up everything that you want to do. So you're going to turn on automated processing. You're going to add Google and Facebook, and you're going to add what to respond to, what stars to respond to, how long to wait before responding, and then a footer message at the end. Now, over here, we're going to have what we call a review link. Now, with this review link, you're going to be able to get a personalized link that you can send out to literally anyone to tell them, hey, go ahead and leave me a review. So on this one, this is Google. On this one, this is Facebook. Now, this one, this will be your link to, if you've got a Trustpilot or anything like that, you can put in your custom link here to send out to people so that they can leave your review on that platform as well. Now, how do we set this up? We're going to go right here to SMS reviews. You can put your logo right here or your headshot or whatever it is that you want to use. And it's going to go out in the text message as you see in the preview over here. So I'm going to put an image in here just so you can see how it will look. Boom. So now we've got a headshot as well as a message. Hope you like your visit today. Please leave us a review for a free teeth whitening. That wouldn't be what you'd use, obviously. So let's say, and then it'll send a review link. And then you can set how long to send it out, how often to send it, because you can actually set reminders to send this text message out multiple times until they actually leave a review, which is amazing. You can just do it one time. You don't have to worry about it anymore, right? And so that's for the text messaging. Now you can also send out emails as well. And what this will do is it'll send out an email saying, hey, all right, and then that'll send out immediately or whatever time you want it to send out. You can set the reminder dates as well. And then you can even go in and build a very pretty and very sexy HTML email template that will have moving objects or, pretty buttons and colors and all of the other type of stuff to make it look really, really professional. Put your company logo and all of that good stuff in there. And then it will send that out and it'll look something like this with the template. Obviously, it will look different, but it will look something like this. And one of the other things that this system actually offers for you is spam reviews. Now, you could turn on to automatically detect whether incoming review is spam or not, and the system will automatically detect that, get rid of that, and do everything for you. Now, this is absolutely amazing, right? And you can also create a QR code. So you can put this on your business cards. You can put this on your flyers. You can put this on your website. You can put this literally anywhere. And people will be able to scan this link and go directly to your Google business profile or your Facebook business profile and leave your review instantaneous. Now, with that said, I want to go into talking to you guys a little bit more about the GHL system. You can do anything inside of the system. You can set up workflows, do SMS, you can do cold calling, you can do any of these things, but I don't want to go into all of that and exactly how it works in this video, because this video would be about 4 hours long if I did. But this is just one of the hundreds of different features that you have at your disposal utilizing GoHighLevel. You can build out courses, you can start communities inside of GoHighLevel. You can literally do anything that you want inside of this system, from building sales funnels, building your custom websites, accepting payments, social media management, all these other things. And you can see an in-depth walkthrough of these things in a lot of my other videos. So check out my playlist and I'll show you exactly how those things work as well. So again, my name is Jamel Jones, aka the Lone Wolf Entrepreneur, and it's my mission to help you fire your job, obtain financial freedom, and start building generational wealth for you and your family. I'll see you guys in the next video.